king? And you never told us?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Reese, and as you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be talking all about this foot peeling mask that I tried. So I picked this up from my local Walmart and it only cost $3. They definitely have different kinds, so if you want to try this exact one, make sure you get the one that says foot peeling mask and not like moisturizing mask, because they did have different kinds. But without further ado, if you're interested in seeing how this process went for me, then just keep on watching. So it has officially been 1 week since I put that mask on my feet, and I'll just say like the first maybe 1 to 4 days I didn't really notice anything, and I say maybe on like day 5 I looked at my feet and I'm like, okay, they look super dry, but I'm like, is it just because it's winter time or what? Last night when I was asleep, I noticed that like it felt like my feet was getting snagged on my sheets. Like it was snagging. I really didn't think nothing of it, and I don't know, I guess I knew I put the mask on, but I just wasn't thinking like, oh, maybe my feet are peeling now. So I didn't even look at them all day. I just put some socks on, didn't even look at them, because I haven't been putting on lotion because I don't want to like moisturize and possibly mess it up. Y'all, I just got out the shower, and when I was in the shower, I'm just showering normally, and then I feel like I'm stepping on like some wet toilet paper, and I look down like, oh my. Y'all, when I say my feet are peeling, look at this, and look at my freaking pinky toe all up here. I'm sure this is all gonna start peeling even more, but y'all, look at my heel. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this looks so gross. The other foot looks even worse. What? I don't know why that looked yellow right there, but bro. If you see my hairy legs, don't judge. I'm about to do first time waxing my legs video. Anyway, bro, I'm embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. But nah, y'all, this little $3 peel from Walmart, it works. But no, for real, like not even on no like braggy type stuff. My feet were not even bad before. And the fact that this is peeling like this, like dang, I had a lot of dead skin. That's crazy. So I'm gonna update y'all as the days go by and as I see some more changes, but this should work, period. I don't want to peel anything that's not like ready to be peeled, you know. Ew, look at that. Now my feet better feel soft after this. Don't be just peeling my skin for no reason. Alright y'all, so this is like either the next day or a couple days later, but I just decided to soak my feet in some hot water and some soap, and I left them in there for like 45 minutes, and y'all, my skin was literally melting off my feet. As you can see, like it is just peeling like crazy. And it's so satisfying but so disgusting at the same time. And the reason I was patting the bowl was because I wanted you guys to be able to tell the difference between what was soap and what was my skin. But y'all, this was so gross. Like, look, I literally have skin hanging off my heel. But anyway, this is what the mask is supposed to do. So I was quite happy that it actually worked. And you're going to see in these next clips me just kind of removing that dead skin with my fingernail. They said not to scrub it, so I was trying not to do that, and I was trying to just get off the skin that was ready to come off, which was pretty much all of it, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this. Hopefully it's satisfying to watch and not too gross.
You're the king? And you never told us?
So after I pretty much got all of the dead skin off that was just falling off on its own, once I got that all off with my nail, I pretty much just washed my feet like normal for the next couple of days. And they were back to normal pretty much right after I was done peeling all this skin off, aside from like on the side of my foot, like coming up to the top of my foot, if that makes sense. But yeah, after like a couple days, they were good to go with me lotioning them, and then I gave myself a pedicure. And yeah, I was just showing you guys all the skin that actually came off in the water as opposed to what I peeled off, so it was a lot. But yeah, after, like I said, I just washed my feet, lotioned them, painted my toes, and y'all, they were super soft. I'm not even gonna lie. They look nice and moisturized. They feel super soft. So I would definitely say that I'm pleased with the outcome. Definitely give yourself about 2 weeks for your feet to really reap all of the benefits and be back to looking good. So I definitely would recommend trying one. It was super fun. But you know, if you get grossed out easily, then maybe you shouldn't. But I really enjoyed it. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.